And we're back. CHFJPY, double top formed. The daily chart came back, blasted through our trend line to the upside. We never really like played off of the bottom side of this, to be honest. Even this red bar right here, it's not really on the bottom side of it. There was a big rejection though with the 50 um, here, and this is a very beautiful fib to consider. Man, it's crazy. Um, Little double bottom action kind of here. Went up, double top action, drop down. Don't know what we're gonna do here. This is a big candle, it's a huge candle. I'm gonna wait for like a reversal candle or something on the daily for me to time an entry. I still want to trade this pair and I still want to see what happens on it. It's kind of hard to tell at this point exactly what's going to happen next. But yeah, this is beautiful though. Coming in here and stopping, landing right on top of the 50 EMA 4 hour chart. Um, yeah, we're about to see what happens. I think it might, I don't know what direction it's going to go. It's just, I don't know. It's been a pair that's been trending beautifully to me. It just hasn't been very predictable um, as far as entering the way I like to enter. So that's why it's been kind of me on the brakes on this one. But I do think there's going to be something that's clear as day that comes up for me because I'm really tracking the movements on this one, and it's been pretty easy to track those movements for me. Okay, all right, peace.